The famous personality Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam has truly said, "A satisfied life is better than a successful life because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart." Guys, when you want happiness in your life, don't eat in the middle of night. If you want peace in your life, don't sleep during the day. And if you want respect, don't talk in vain. And if you want love in your life, don't break the friendships. Friends, many a times you must have felt that I am the most miserable person in the world, and we often wonder why this grief is my fault. This question may arise in your mind, not only in yours but also in mine and to many other people, that why I have to go through all these ordeals, why I have to go through all these sufferings. Imagine a day trip for such people. It's not that difficult, it's simple to do. Get up early in the morning and go for a walk. You will see many people jogging. Ask them why they are doing this. You will get replies like, as jogging helps us to build strong bones, as it is weight bearing exercise. Also, it strengthens our muscle, burn plenty of kilojoules, improve our immune system, and many more. After that, you go to the neighboring hospital. There will be people with rich and poor faces. Then go to the temple. On your way, beggars will beg you, and in the temple, rich beggars will be seen begging to the god. Then look at a bill and fees payment counter or queue. You will see people who want to buy something despite having money. Then go to an orphanage. You will see the faces hungry for love, and the faces will of those whose closest people left them all alone in the world in their childhood. After that, you go to the disabled ashram. You will see people living without an organ of their own. After that, go home and think calmly that are my problems are too big than those whom I have met today, and then you will not able to sleep at night seeing the suffering of others. Then you will realize that in their grief you have forgotten your grief. There are many people in the world who suffer thousands of times more than we do, but still they are living. Still you feel your problems are big because you are going through the pain and suffering. But we are not to market our grief, pain and suffering, because it is the truth that it has no end without facing it. So keep smiling and make others laugh, and this is what we call as a true life. Hence we say that four brothers walking in the same direction is only possible when fifth is on the shoulder. Throughout our life, we have been thinking about what people will say, and this is what people finally says, Ram Naam Satya Hai. If you really want to respect and appreciate a man, then do it when the man is alive, because when the same man dies, then the people also cries who all hated the man when he was alive. It is customary to say that a person became good when he dies, and nature of a living man can't be identified by us, and this is the real pain. So don't miss any chance to understand the people when they are alive. So guys, think on the same. You will find your problems are very few before the people which we have seen today in this video